Picture this: a bustling metropolis where each entity has a unique name. In the world of C programming, we call these unique names identifiers. They are the variable names, function names, and other entities that breathe life into your code. Think of an identifier like a street address. It tells the program where to find and store information, but there are rules. Identifiers can't start with a digit, have spaces, or use special characters except for underscore. Remember, in this city of code, identifiers are case sensitive. My variable in capital and my variable in small letters are two different addresses. So whether you are naming a variable, crafting a function, or declaring an array, make sure your identifiers are unique, meaningful, and follow the rules. This way, your code city remains organized and efficient. That's the power of identifiers in C programming. Until next time, keep coding and exploring the vast metropolis of C.